हॅलो, को होस्ट केला तुम्हाला?
Sir, Kale sir, Pritam Jowatkar, congratulations sir. Very nice initiative. Very happy to know about this e-magazine.
Yeah, thank you
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much, ma'am.
Yes.
Upasni sir, welcome. Upasni sir, am I audible? मला वाटतं काय सर तुम्हाला बोलावं लागेल.
नाही होईल जॉईन व्हायचं. सर
को होस्ट करा उपासनी सरांना आणि डॉक्टर डांगना को होस्ट करायचंय. नीता पाटील, प्लीज डू दॅट.
Yes, sir.
Hello, Dr. Raman.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Namaste.
Good afternoon. Namaste. Being after a long time, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are things at Maharashtra?
Nicely going on, but things are not in control with regards to corona.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir. Raman sir, welcome.
Thank you, friend.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, definitely. It's all yours.
We are waiting for Dr. Upasni to join. I think he has joined or what? Upasni sir?
Disconnect झाले sir.
अच्छा. Okay. We'll wait for another.
आले.
Yes, I'm with you.
Yeah, welcome sir. Upasni sir, welcome. Video चालू करा sir.
Thank you sir.
Video चालू करा. Dr. Raman Dang has also arrived. Yeah.
माझा?
Good afternoon, Upasni sir. Really?
Good afternoon sir. Kale sir, how are you?
Fine.
You are still in office.
Yeah. In office. Online office is always a continuous office.
That's good.
Yeah, with the due permission of both the guests, Dr. Raman Dang as well as Dr. Upasni, shall we start the program?
Yeah, please.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay. So I request Dr. Zine, the host of the program, to please initiate.
Yes, sir. Thank you. So, dear colleagues, on behalf of APTI Mumbai region, Dr. Sandeep Zine, wish you a very good afternoon and happy Independence Day. I extend a warm welcome to everyone present here with us on occasion. Release of first edition of e-magazine Pharma Darpan. I am very glad to inform you that in a very short span of time, we are coming up with this e-magazine. And all these things possible because of strong coordination amongst APTI college coordinators of respective colleges of Mumbai region, dedicated editorial team of magazine, and guidance of our mentor, Dr. Rakesh Somani, Joint Secretary, APTI, Maharashtra State Branch. I am confident that with the same kind of enthusiasm in all APTI college coordinators, in future, we can keep number of activities on board in interest of all pharmacy colleges of Mumbai region. I am sure you all will join in and agree that we are shaping this association in tone with positive mission. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome the distinguished dignitaries we have with us present here today. We have our chief guest, Dr. Raman Dang, Secretary, APTI National. Our guest of honor, Dr. C.D. Upasni, President, Maharashtra State Branch. Dr. Mohan Kale sir, Mentor, APTI Mumbai Region. And Dr. Rakesh Somani, Joint Secretary, APTI, Maharashtra State Branch. Principals of respective colleges, APTI college coordinators, and faculty members of all pharmacy colleges. Before the commencement of any auspicious occasion, we have a tradition of invoking the blessings of the Almighty. I request all the dignitaries and our prime viewers to observe silence, as I request Ms. Surbhi Joshi to render the spiritual song and spread across the positive vibrations with her blissful voice. Surbhi, please.
इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, दूर अज्ञान के हो अंधेरे, तू हमें ज्ञान की रोशनी दे, हर बुराई से बचते रहे हम, भावना मन में विश्वास की दे, बैर होना किसी का किसी से, भावना मन में विश्वास देना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना, इतनी शक्ति हमें दे न दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Surbhi. After this auspicious beginning, now a few special words about respected Dr. Rakesh Somani, Joint Secretary, APTI Maharashtra State Branch. All APTI college coordinators are staunch followers of him. He is our guiding light, mentor, and he has an iron will. With his experience in research, academics, and administration, he has always enlightened us. Because of him, we all APTI college coordinators are connected on a one string for a noble cause. And on this occasion, I request Dr. Rakesh Somani sir to address our wonderful audience.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Sandeep Zine, and thanks for your kind words. I really don't know whether I deserve all those heavy words what you have used. It is my great privilege to welcome Honorable Dr. Raman Dang sir, the Secretary of APTI National, as well as our guest of honor, Honorable Professor C.D. Upasni sir, the dynamic President of Maharashtra State APTI. Also, Dr. Mohan Kale, who has been always a great support of the APTI Mumbai region, as well as all the principals. While I was just roaming through the screen, I could notice that Dr. Sharik is also here. So welcome to Dr. Sharik, also the principal of the college in Panvel, and also AIKTC college in Panvel, and also other my fellow colleagues, my teachers, the backbone of this education system, that is teachers, all college coordinators of APTI of this region, as well as my strong team of the magazine committee and the APTI core committee. So thank you so much for all of you for being with all of us here on this platform. There are 64 participants I'm able to see today, and really it is an encouraging sign. So to just welcome, we have Dr. Raman Dang here, a very energetic, progressive, proactive Secretary of National APTI. If you see in last 3-4 months, particularly because of this pandemic era, Dr. Dang and his entire team has been actively organizing lots of activities for the teaching communities. And if you see the website of APTI, it is full of events, and that is because of the vision of Dr. Ramandang, as well as National President Dr. P.D. Chaudhary. I'm thankful to you, sir, for being with us here. Also, we have Professor C.D. Upasni, who is the principal of the Suresh Dada Jain College of Pharmacy, Chandwad, and the president of APTI Maharashtra State Branch. I am really lucky that I am working with Professor Upasni as the Joint Secretary of Maharashtra State APTI. He himself is a very supportive of all our initiatives of Mumbai region. He himself is an experienced administrator and our mentor today. So just to share my views about this activity today, to brief Professor Ramandang and to other people that we have been working at Mumbai region, maybe in silo kind of thing since last 3-4 years. And we have collected all college coordinators on one platform. We have formulated WhatsApp group also, and lots of activities we do. So whenever we conduct activity, we, with the permission of the respective authority, state branch or so, we take that kind of support or sponsorship, and we do the activities. So this group which you are seeing, Professor Ramandang sir, is a very vibrant group. Maybe in one corner of Maharashtra, that is of course the capital of the state, but it is a very vibrant group, and all of them are really playing an instrumental role. So this idea came up that why not to have our own magazine, though we have a APTI bulletin, but many times what happened that when we send 10-15 news, then 1 or 2 news are selected there. I mean, because of it is having a national spread. So we thought that we will have our own magazine, and this idea was just popped up in last month, that is 25th July or so, and immediately our team got activated, and in next 15 days you are seeing that the magazine is ready, the magazine, and you will see all of you, all the teaching community, you will appreciate the way the magazine committee has put forth their efforts within no time, and this is really appreciable. And this is what is the power of teachers. When all teachers come together for a noble cause, I think they can do wonders. So we thought that why not to release this magazine. I spoke with Upasni sir also. I spoke with Dr. P.D. Chaudhary also, and a lot of guidance I received. And we thought that we will, with this launch of this magazine, in fact, this launch of this e-magazine, Pharma Darpan, that is what we have named it as today. So this Pharma Darpan is just a kind of a reason for all of us to come together and to work together for the profession in future. Under the able guidance of the state president as well as the national body, we will be conducting lots of activities in future. Slowly and steadily, we have planned our action plan also for an entire year. However, this is a bi-monthly magazine as of now. Today, what is called as the nature of the magazine is kind of news magazine as such, but slowly and steadily we will take it to the research kind of level. We will enrich that magazine with lots of activities. So I am once again thankful to each one of you, and we need guidance and support from the national and state APTI so that this Mumbai region APTI become a regional chapter. That proposal has already been put forward to the national body that we want to have a Mumbai regional chapter of the APTI. It will be a first of its kind in the entire nation probably, and that is how we want to flourish the association into this region. Before I stop myself, I'm thankful to each one who are present here, especially our guest and our guest of honor. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, for your enlightening words. On this occasion, we are blessed with the presence of Dr. Mohan Kale sir also, mentor, APTI Mumbai region, and principal, Konkan Jnanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and Research Institutes. Could you please share your thoughts on this occasion, sir? Dr. Mohan sir.
Thank you, Sandeep. It's nice to be this afternoon on the Independence Day. I wish you all Happy Independence Day. Actually, I had been in Mumbai from last 7 years, and I am associated with Indian Pharmaceutical Association as well as APTI from last 2 to 3 decades almost. And I personally know Dr. Raman as well as Dr. Upasni sir, and they are doing wonderful job at each and every level. Just now, just 2 days back, Dr. Raman also gave a representation to our President of Pharmacy Council of India for our teachers. So when we are working with IPA or APTI, we have seen that Indian Pharmaceutical Association is a broad association where representation to teachers is less and more representation is towards the industry as well as the other professionals. But our APTI representation is only for our teachers especially, and it's doing wonderful job. Whenever you attend any convention or any conference of APTI, you will enjoy it and you will like and you will be proud to be a teacher. Now due to this pandemic, we all teachers have to change ourselves so that we can be beneficial to our students. As I say always, that teachers now, only teaching is not the career. We have to have our network, social working. We have to see that we are creative, we are innovative, we have some motivational as well as encouraging thoughts to give to the students and budding professionals. And for that, each and every teacher should initiate their work so that our teachers, our students, they develop. And it's a matter of proud privilege that Dr. Somani and the APTI coordinator team of Mumbai region, Pritam, Sandeep Zine, Nagre sir, then Yogesh Chaudhary, and all these coordinators, Goswami madam, they have come together. They have taken up this issue of coming up with the magazine, and within a span of say 10 or 15 days, today the day has come when it is being inaugurated. And to have Dr. Raman Dang for inauguration of this magazine is a great. Really, to tell you just a word about Dr. Raman, I had been to his college when he was at Bangalore around 20 years back at the end of 98 or 99 when Dr. Shivanand and Dr. Gopal Krishnan and the team was working. They were junior that time, but they were working day and night and supporting Dr. Shivanand. And because of all their consistent work, APTI is a highly successful organization. So that's a great part of Dr. Raman. Similarly, Dr. Upasni sir also is associated with APTI from long time. So all dear teachers, it's the beginning at our Mumbai region. We know that maximum membership of APTI is from Maharashtra. But the membership of our Mumbai region is less. The activities which are held in Mumbai region are also less as compared to IPA. So now, under the banner of this APTI Mumbai region coordinator and under Somani sir, I know each and every teacher will work hard and see that the consistent efforts are put into that magazine. And that magazine should provide a platform for all the teachers to represent themselves, to give good articles and see that that articles as well as the news, everything should motivate our students and indirectly they should be beneficial. So at the end, I would like to thank Dr. Raman Dang as well as Dr. C.D. Upasni for joining us for this inauguration program. I would like to thank Dr. Rakesh also working day and night, as well as thank all the organizers, coordinator of Mumbai team, all the principals who have joined for this program, as well as all dear teachers. Thank you. Best wishes for this inauguration of this magazine.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for your encouraging words. And I am sure all the APTI college coordinators will work for one common objective through this APTI platform under your guidance. So dear audience, we have the pleasure of having with us Dr. C.D. Upasni, President APTI Maharashtra State Branch. He is a professor and principal at Sriman Suresh Dada Jain College of Pharmacy, Chandwad, Nashik. His research in the field of pharmacy include 88 publications, which includes 62 national and 26 international. He has presented scientific studies, review papers in many national and international seminars and conferences. He is the author of 9 books, and Sir has guided 52 MPharm students and PhD students. He has a grant of 108 lakh rupees of 3 research projects and 1 patent on his credit. His individual recent achievements include honored with prestigious Bharati Vidyapeeth's Pune College of Pharmacy's Pharmacy Teacher of the Year 2019 award by APTI at National Convention, Dehradun. Honored as a member of National Academy of Medical Sciences during conference at Jodhpur in year 2013. Sir is having affiliations with Savitribai Phule Pune University, such as a chairman, board of studies, member, academic council, and research and recognition committee. At present, Sir is president of APTI Maharashtra State Branch. In addition, Sir has delivered number of guest lectures at various national conferences and quality improvement programs. I request Dr. Upasni Sir to share his views on occasion. Over to Sir.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Jine. I'm really thankful to Dr. Somani for inviting us on this activity. This activity will be highly helpful for the teachers to express their thoughts, their views, and to write something for the society, for our teacher society and for our general people, students also. See, since independence, India is progressing very fast, and now we are going to be an economic power after some time. There are various tools and techniques which are there for making us economic power, for making us as teacher, for expressing ourselves as a successful teacher. But what I feel is particular part or one particular portion reserved for the tools and techniques which can be used for inner progress or inner development of an human being. If we teach our student to be how to be happy, how to be progressive, and how to be blissful with whatever work we are doing, and if we teacher learn how to be happy, how to remain blissful by employing whatever tools and techniques which are present there, it is really surprising thing for the world, and it is a proud for a proud Indian like me that these tools and techniques are USP of India. India could initiate the yoga tradition, the International Yoga Day we are celebrating. And likewise, there are many tools of yoga, pranayama, then meditation, and the ancient techniques. So what I feel, Dr. Somani, that one portion of your magazine should be reserved for these kind of tips and tools. If we can give these tips and tools to our fellow colleagues and our students, that will definitely make them peaceful and they will progress in their profession. This is a very good effort which is jointly started by all colleges of Mumbai region, and all the teachers, college coordinators are coming together. I'm very happy that our dynamic secretary of APTI Central, Dr. Raman Dang, is also with me. And his ideas and his views and his hard work technique will definitely help us to move this magazine to a certain height, and it will be one of the ideal magazine very soon. I'm very much thankful to Dr. Somani, Jine, Pawar, and all other colleagues for inviting me for this. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best. May this magazine enlighten everyone for the blissfulness in our profession. Wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Thank you very much. Thank you. Over to you, Ginny.
Yeah, thank you, sir, for your valuable sharing. That's great. So, dear viewers, moving forward, now we present to you first edition of e-magazine, Pharma Darpan, published by APTI coordinators of Mumbai region. Expression of technical and non-technical views and mirror of all pharmacy colleges of Mumbai region. For this segment, I would like to hand over the mic to Mr. Pritam Zuwatkar on behalf of editorial board, Pharma Darpan e-magazine. I request him to give us an insight into the journey of the magazine. Over to Pritam sir, please.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Sandeep, sir. First of all, happy Independence to all of you. Good afternoon, respected chief guest of today's program, Dr. Raman Dan, sir. Respected Dr. C.D. Upasani, sir, guest of honor of today's program. Dr. Rakesh Somani, sir, Dr. Mohan Kare, sir, principal of all colleges, all dignitaries, all APTI college coordinator of Mumbai region. I, Pritam Zuwatkar, APTI Mumbai University Regional Coordinator, I welcome you all. It is indeed a great pleasure to present the first issue of our bi-monthly e-magazine, Pharma Darpan, in association with Association Pharmaceutical Teacher India, APTI. Perfect planning is half of done. With this sentence, our journey starts in the short period of 18 days. On 26 July 2020, Dr. Rakesh Somani, sir, came with the idea to publish e-magazine with the vision to provide a platform for all the pharmacy institute in Mumbai region under the banner of APTI. Publishing a magazine is a long dread process, but due to kind support and guideline of our mentor, Dr. Rakesh sir and Dr. Mohan Kare sir, journey started with the constitution of editorial board. With the proactive self-initiative, my fellow APTI college coordinator, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary sir, Mr. Abhijit Puri sir, Mr. Sujit Nagre, and Dr. Priyanka Goswami ma'am. For the collection of the news achievement, recent events, awards, and update in the pharma field of APTI college coordinator representative of respective college, this responsibility has been accepted by our technological expert, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary. I really congratulate Mr. Abhijit Puri for making a remarkable work done of designing of magazine. I really thankful to Dr. Priyanka Goswami and Mr. Sujit Nagre for compiling, proofreading of gathering a data from the various colleges. I really get the mesmerizing effect by effort taken by all team members, my team member. So cultivation good soil so we can grow is must. So that is a phase of, I really thankful to my editorial team members, our guide patron, Dr. Rakesh sir, Dr. Mohan sir, for dedicated efforts, amount of time and energy towards improving the magazine Pharma Darpan. We would like to say that with the active support of APTI college coordinator, Mumbai region, Pharma Darpan has came alive into picture. Really, in a short period of time, all APTI college coordinator give us whatever the requirement, or we can say news achievement, and the updates had been provided within a short period of time. As an editorial board, our responsibility will be to continue the advancement of the success of e-magazine by establishing editorial policies that highlight the academic activities and the achievement. This e-magazine will continue to be a vehicle for promoting effortless communication among the teachers in India. Let us be grateful to every one of them who have taken effort to make it possible up to publish this first edition of e-magazine. We assure you that the magazine will continue to commendable work in keeping you updated. I wish in future we get the same support and efforts from all APTI college coordinator and my editorial team. I really thankful to all of you, our mentor, Dr. Rakesh sir, then Dr. Dr. Mohan sir, then Dr. Sandeep sir for giving me chance here to speak something about the journey of the magazine. Now I like to hand over the session to Dr. Sandeep sir.
Yeah, thank you, Pritam sir, by briefing us about e-magazine. Now I request e-magazine Pharma Darpan editorial board, Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary, Mr. Abhijit Puri, Mr. Sujit Nagarai, Dr. Priyanka Goswami, with due permission from Dr. Dang sir and Dr. Upasni to do necessary proceedings and release e-magazine Pharma Darpan in public domain. Over to Abhijit sir.
Yeah, sir. Anita ma'am?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. She has released the magazine. Anita ma'am, you can play the video.
Yes, yes, please.
Let's clap for the release.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Zine, please.
Yeah, I request
Yes, sir.
dignitaries. I request the dignitaries to go through magazine to appreciate the dedication of the magazine company and glance through some of the captured highlights. Thank you, editorial board. Now it's our privilege to have with us our chief guest, Dr. Raman Dang, Secretary, APTI National. He is a principal at KLU University or KLU College of Pharmacy, Bangalore. Before joining, Sir was a registrar at Delhi Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research University. Sir is having 27 years of teaching, administrative, and research experience altogether. His research in the field of pharmacy include 75 publications, which include 33 national and 42 international. He has presented scientific studies, review papers in many national and international seminars and conferences. He has guided 34 MPharm students, 4 PhD scholars, co-guide to 12 MPharm students, and guiding 2 PhD scholars at present. Sir's individual recent achievements include Eminent Teacher Award during 21st APTI Annual National Convention in 2016 at Manipal, awarded International Fellowship for meritorious work in the field of environmental sciences in 2018. His command on teaching skills and in research endeavor has been recognized on many other platforms too. I am sure many participants, especially faculties present here, know him for his presence at various positions held in pharmacy profession. To name a few, is the Secretary, Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers of India, Joint Secretary of Indian Cosmetic Technologists Association, Secretary, Karnataka Pharmacy Principals Association. And dear audience, when I was going through his CV, I have noted that almost all the department he has been an active member at Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Sciences, Karnataka. It includes Academic Council, Board of Studies, Research Recognition Committee, and many more. In addition, Sir has delivered and chaired a number of technical sessions at various national and international conferences. He is also editor and review board member of national and international review journals. One of the major strengths of Sir is that he is approachable at all times and an effective team leader. Sir, we all are fortunate to have you with us, and I am confident everyone is eagerly waiting to hear from you. Hereby requesting you to share your thoughts with audience on this occasion. Over to Sir.
Yeah, thank you, friends, for inviting me for this noble cause of releasing the Pharma Darpan, which is the mirror of pharmacy. My esteemed friend Upasni ji, who is the president of APTI Maharashtra State, very focused and gentle person. Rakesh Somani ji, his name is synonymous with our DCGI at Delhi. So obviously he's a very good leader. And then my dear mentor, Mohan Kale ji, who spoke very nice words about the association and other things. So coming directly to the good work of having a Pharma Darpan, I would like to say the important component is sustainability. Yeah. Now the foundation has been laid. You have to see that it sustains. If you are saying it is bi-monthly or quarterly, then see that it remains come what may. Then there will be challenges like funds will be a challenge, write-ups will be a challenge. You have to see if there is a flow of contributions. Then you have to see the contents are well defined. You are defined that yes, I want to have headings or editorials or news, whatever under a specific heading, so that yes, the reader is sure that what he is going through, what is next, what is something special that is going to be offered through the Darpan. And of course, very important again is the circulation. It has to be circulated well. Luckily, we have forum of WhatsApp, we have Instagram, we have Facebook, we have other versions, because since it is e-version, it needs to be very well circulated through emails. So you should take all the addresses, not only in Maharashtra, it should be circulated all throughout India so that people are motivated. The purpose of APTI is motivation. If we motivate each other, then only the next generation comes up. We are having so many awards for what? For motivation. Otherwise, if we don't tap our talents, if we don't pat our back, then obviously nobody will do. Pharmacy profession is really improving and rising to the heights. And of course, we are fortunate. The council president also is very focused. Whatever we say, whatever problem we have today, you are happy that I gave a representation. But then we are having hope that he will do something. That is why the representation has gone to him. We have given him the pure statistics of teacher salaries, whatever are state-wise or individually, without concealing any of the names. And overall picture, he was happy. Yes, at least some factual details I have. And then we requested affidavit to be drawn, requested him to bank details to be drawn, so that teachers get the right. A normal worker at the house, everywhere or anywhere, we are paying them. If the situation is bad, why our teachers are not being paid? When there is a crisis, we should see that. They have worked from day one, yeah. They have used their internet, they have connected to students, they have done webinars, they have done everything possible. They have learned, first of all. This e-content was not known to many of us. So we have learned on the job. Why the salary should not be given? So that was the debate there, and he appreciated, yes, and he promised, and I will follow up again that this is done. All our fellow beings should be equally paid. And we are sitting in ivory tower doesn't mean that things should not move. So that is the purpose of APTI, to have an approachable forum, to strong base. We are not only about awards, we also have journals, we also have the connecting forum. We have a qualified lawyer and advocate with us who will fight the cases of APTI. Many things that come forward, it is taken. That is the foundation of this new APTI team. Our president, Dr. P.D. Chaudhary, is very keen to extend whatever benefit as an association, because we all are working, we are all teachers first. So maximum time what we can give to each other is the main virtue. And we have seen that insurance is provided so that any unfortunate accidental death happens or any permanent disability, teachers are not left in the lurch. And here now virtual forum. So we tried to establish that, yes, virtual forum is there to connect. I think we have connected better. Instead of having yearly one convention, FTCon, we have connected so well. Now we know each other by name, each other by their talent, and it was a fantastic connect through this e-forum. COVID may have put us back, but again, our energies, our strength as teachers of being leader from day one has really been connecting well. I appreciate all your team, editorial team, who are going to contribute, see that they are kept in high spirit, and see that this Darpan is shown to everybody. I want in every state a Darpan should happen. Already, I think from Nagpur, Dr. Milind is running one magazine, but that is again belonging to his institution. So on APTI forum, this is something very good. Chapter also, as you said, yes, why not? We will start the Mumbai chapter. We will start the chapter of Kerala, whatever state or whatever region they want. But thing is, bylaws need to be amended. We are going to take it to EC, we are going to take it to AGM, because any good work is done, I think there is no official binding on it. There is no legal binding on it. We have to encourage every person who wants to contribute. It is not the domain of secretary or president or 2-3 people. It is for everyone. Association means that only. So if I am representing, it is not Ramandang. It is the association secretary whose duty is to represent. So that is my job. It is not for me, it is to see that we strengthen each other so that outcome is there. Without outcome, any work is incomplete. So that is all I want to say to you people. Refer our journals, IJPR, which we started. Now it is 54 years old. It has got Scopus Index. Then IGOPP is there for pharmacy practice. Then APTI bulletin is there. Your own bulletin is there, whatever you send. And if you send 9 articles also or 9 institutional also, we will publish all. Definitely, we will not select 1, 2. I see to it because it is mostly e-circulated. We publish all. And then now we have Women's Forum newsletter, well drafted, well edited by Vandana Patrawaleji. So in every journal, every forum, everybody is contributing. That is why we all are standing strong. We are fortunate we had a strong base with our previous body, Shivananji or Burandeji, whoever gave us a strong base. And it is our duty to maintain it, take it to the next level, have a teachers training center so that all of us meet, all of us perform, and all the things are documented. Now, documentation is possible through this Pharma Darpan. Otherwise, my friend, it's a factual position that whatever we do, sometimes we forget to update our own CV also, because we are so busy in performing in action that we just ignore it. But when now we are going for accreditations and now we are going for connecting people, we know documentation is the most important part. So good thing, Pharma Darpan will help you document. It will help you to know what other college is doing so that we can also better it, or at least we can come to some level and that everybody knows and everybody get motivated. Thank you, Sumani ji, Kale ji, my friend Upasni ji, the host, the convener, everybody connected with this Pharma Darpan and APTI. Good luck and best wishes.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. I really express my sincere thanks and gratitude to Dr. Ramandang for accepting our invitation.
Dr. Zine, just give, I'll break your protocol.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, thankful to Dr. Ramandang sir. What you said is important for us, and we have noted your points, and we are sure that sustainability will be maintained regarding this magazine, and we will try to enrich it in future also. And thank you for considering our request of making APTI Mumbai chapter per se. Most importantly, that you could represent to the council regarding the request of the teaching community. That is also very important job APTI has done. So your team, the new team, what we can call, is really a wonderful team. So thank you so much for all your efforts.
Thank you, friend.
Dr. Zine.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Thank you, Dr. Raman sir. You have given time over here on this platform from your busy schedule. So moving forward, now I request Dr. Priyanka Goswami, HK College of Pharmacy, APTI College Coordinator, to announce the name of coordinators of respective colleges. Over to Priyanka, madam.
Good afternoon, all of you. Myself, Dr. Priyanka Goswami from HK College of Pharmacy. So I'll introduce all college coordinators one by one. Mr. Pritam Juvatkar.
Yes, my name is Pritam Juvatkar. I'm working as Assistant Professor, Academic In Charge in Kokon Ganpet Raudhar College of Pharmacy. And I'm working as a APTI coordinator for Mumbai region also. and APTA coordinator for college also. And I am a, we can say I am under the student of working as assistant professor, as well as I am learning from my principal, Dr. Mohan Kale sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
We have next Mr. Sandeep sir from Westcop.
Yeah, I am Dr. Sandeep Zine from Vivekanand Education Society's College of Pharmacy, Chembur, Mumbai. Thank you, madam.
Next we have Shaijesh sir. Shaijesh sir. I think God didn't.
Hello. Yes. Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. I am working as an assistant professor in Govindram Nikam College of Pharmacy, Savarde, which is in Ratnagiri district, and myself, Shailesh Kumar Dalu Bonde. Thank you.
Next we have Yogesh sir.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. Myself Yogesh Chaudhary, working as assistant professor in Dr. L.H. Chandani College of Pharmacy and the APTI coordinator, and best wishes for the Pharma Darpan. Thank you.
Next we have Abhijit sir. Abhijit sir.
Might be not having range.
Okay.
Next.
Next we have Sujit sir.
Hi everyone, this is Sujit Nagre from Indira Institute of Pharmacy, Ratnagiri, and I'm working in the college, and I'm also working in an editorial team. So I wish you all, wish all the best for Pharma Darpan. Thank you.
Next, I am Dr. Priyanka Goswami from HK College of Pharmacy. I'm also part of editorial team of Pharma Darpan. Next, we have Dr. Chaya Gadgoli ma'am.
Good afternoon. This is Chaya Gadgoli from Saraswati Vidya Bhavan's College of Pharmacy, Dombivli, working as Professor of Pharmacy, Pharmacognosy.
Next, we have Bhushan sir.
Yes, good afternoon to all the respected dignitaries on this e-magazine inauguration. I wish you a very happy Independence Day to all. Myself, Dr. Bhushan Arane, I am representing Shri D.D. Vispute College of Pharmacy and Research Center, Panvel, and right now as I am Associate Professor and HOD of the Food Disease Department, and as well as the APTI College Coordinator. And I wish a best wishes for this APTI e-magazine Pharma Darpan. Thank you very much.
Next we have Suvarna ma'am.
Hello everyone.
Suvarna ma'am.
Hello everyone and good afternoon, respected dignitaries. I'm Suvarna Fadkare, work as associate professor and IPTI coordinator for NCRD Sterling Institute of Pharmacy, Nehru, Navi Mumbai. I'm contributing this profession since last 15 years. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, we have Praveen sir. Praveen sir.
Am I audible?
Next, we have, yes, sir.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Myself, Praveen Naik. I'm working as assistant professor in D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy under the guidance of Dr. Rakesh Somani sir. I'm happy to be a part of APTI Mumbai region coordinator, and best wishes for Pharma Darpan. Thank you.
Have Dr. Bharat. Bharat sir.
Bharat sir.
Sangadeep sir.
Hello everybody. Thank you to inviting me. I am Sangadeep Gajbee, college coordinator, Viva Institute of Pharmacy, and working as an assistant professor over there. Thank you so much.
Amjad Ali sir is not there. Okay. Abu Sufyan sir.
Next, please.
Bharat sir is there. Ma'am, Bharat sir.
Yes, sir, but actually our college coordinator is Mr. Abhijit Puri, so I was waiting for him to introduce himself.
No. Abhijit Puri sir is a editorial team. You are the APTI coordinator, sir.
Okay, yeah. Okay. Good afternoon, everybody. This is Dr. Bharat Doksode, working as Associate Professor at the Indian Institute of Pharmacy and Research, Palghar.
Sir. Hello.
Priyanka, go ahead. Priyanka.
Yes, sir. Actually, I got disconnected. Next, Bhagyashree ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. I'm audible now.
Yeah.
I'm Bhagyashree Joshi from MET Institute of Pharmacy, working as assistant professor in pharmaceutics and APTI coordinator for MET IOP. Best wishes for Pharma Darpan.
Next, we have Nitin sir.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nitin Kolle, Assistant Professor and APTI Coordinator from Aeroth Institute of Pharmacy, Kopar Khairane, Navi Mumbai. Thank you very much.
Next, we have Vinod sir.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
Good afternoon, everyone. All the respected dignitaries and all the college coordinators. Myself, Mr. Vinod Mode. I am working as an assistant professor at Yeshwantrao Bhosle College of Pharmacy, Sawantwadi, located in the Sindhudurg district. So, on behalf of myself and on my college, I wish all the best for this today's activity. Thank you.
Next, we have Suchita ma'am.
Good afternoon, all. I am from Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research. I am working as an assistant professor in QA department. Best wishes for Pharma Darpan and congratulations to editorial team.
Next, we have Manisha madam.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Manisha Vite, APTI coordinator from Shivajirao Zondal College of Pharmacy, and I am working as an associate professor in pharmacognosy. Thank you.
Yeah, next we have Babita madam.
Hello everyone, myself Dr. Babita More, associate professor from Yadavra Tasgapur Institute of Pharmacy. And on behalf of YTIP, I congratulate APTI team for release of first APTI magazine, Pharma Darpan. Thank you.
Thank you all APTI coordinator from various colleges of Mumbai. Now I'll request Dr. Sandeep sir to for further announcements. Sandeep sir.
Thank you very much, Priyanka madam. This was really a wonderful virtual tour with all APTI college coordinators across all over Maharashtra, or maybe in fact Mumbai region.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah.
Rashmi ma'am is also with us.
Yeah.
She is a coordinator for BNCP. Rashmi
Yes, yes. Rashmi madam, please.
Hello, everybody. I am Rashmi Malya, working as an assistant professor in BNCP Mumbai, and I wish all APTI fellow teachers happy Independence Day, and thank you for having this such a nice E-Darpan magazine from APTI. Yeah, congratulations. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Rashmi madam. So moving towards end of program. So dear colleagues, I would like to take this opportunity to brief you about upcoming events under the ambit of APTI College Coordinators Initiative. So on a World Pharmacist Day, 25th September, we are coming up with the concept of e-repository of pharmacy lectures for our B.Pharm students. And this activity is intended to mobilize the knowledge of various faculty members for students through digital platform. Also taking an opportunity to inform you that second edition of Pharma Darpan e-magazine is scheduled on 15th October 2020. So requesting all APTI college coordinators to channelize news from your respective colleges on or before 2nd October 2020. So dear audience, now I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the dignitaries, principals of different institutes, faculty members and APTI college coordinators for gracing this occasion with presence over here. Now I would like to call Mr. Yogesh Chaudhary to come up for vote of thanks on behalf of all APTI college coordinators and concluding remark on occasion. I take your leave as a host of session. Thank you very much. Over to Yogesh sir, please.
You are
Sir, it
inaudible.
is unmute.
Unmute yourself.
Thank you, Sandeep sir. Honorable Dr. Ramandang sir, respected Dr. Siddhi Upasni sir, our most valued invited guest, principals or mentors, okay, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to have been asked to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion, the release of Pharma Darpan. I, on behalf of the entire team of Pharma Darpan, wish you a very happy Independence Day. A big thank you to Dr. Ramandan sir, Secretary APTI National, for kindly accepting our invitation and gracing the inaugural function. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for Dr. C.D. Upasni sir, President of APTI Maharashtra State Bench, for gracing through his presence. We are also grateful to Professor Dr. Praveen Chaudhary sir, President APTI Central, then Professor Sohan Chitlange sir, Associate Secretary APTI Central, Dr. Vandana Patravale ma'am, Convener APTI Women Forum, for sending their blessings through the Pharma Darpan. You can do anything as long as you have passion, the drive, the focus, and the support. I would like to express a sincere thanks to Dr. Rakesh Somani sir, Joint Secretary APTI Maharashtra Branch and Principal D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy, Navi Mumbai, for his continuous motivational word and constant support, which helps the Pharma Darpan team to maintain this passion, the drive, and the focus throughout this journey. I also wish to express my gratitude to Dr. Mohan Kade sir, mentor of APTI Mumbai region and principal of Konkan Gambit Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy, for providing encouragement throughout this journey. Okay? We are all inspired by your great words. I am also thankful to the principals as well as all the APTI coordinators from the various colleges of a Mumbai region for providing the constant support. Okay. Finally, I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to IT coordinator team of a Dr. D.Y. Patil University School of Pharmacy for the perfect technical support which is required for this program. Okay. Well, ladies and gentlemen, an activity like this doesn't happen in a overnight condition. Okay, so we'll start it since last few days. Okay, it requires a planning and bird's eye for the detail. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by our team, okay, which is with a Mr. Pritam Zuwatkar from Mumbai region colleges, the other people like Mr. Abhijit Puri providing us a technical support, Mr. Sujit Nagre, Dr. Priyanka Goswami, okay, that is a editorial team member. Apart from editorial team member, other members of a APTI coordinator, that is Dr. Sandeep Jine, Mr. Bhushan Rane, Mr. Shailesh Kumar Bonde, those who had also provided us a constant support. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, I want to state that we are all most grateful to all invitees on this event, and of course, for all you people for being with us in this evening. It's been a great pleasure. Thank you. Thank you very much for being with us. Jai Hind.
Thank you, one and all. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thanks
Somani.
to all and congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you. All the best. Congratulations.
I request IT team just pause recording now. Stop recording now.